Hi, this is the HUAWEI P10 Lite and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag the app to another one, and we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, you could just tap the plus icon and to select the other applications to add them. Then just tap to OK to save the changes, and that's it. To rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. If you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, you should hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, you could click here to this plus icon and to unselect the applications which you want to remove, then just tap to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.